Welcome to the EWS Orion Data Portal. My name is Aaron, I'm an Envirotech at EWS. In this video, I'm going to run you through some features that will help you with sharing and displaying your data in dashboards. To start with, the date picker is now changed. By clicking on the drop-down arrow, you now select how many days you'd like to look back at. To select specific dates, use the absolute date range option and select start and end dates manually. A quick tip, if looking back into the past, select your end date before the start date, as this postpones Orion search till after you've selected the start date. There is now a quick option for downloading Excel tables from graphs on the fly. Just click the Export Data button, select your site and export the data. It will automatically create an Excel file you can use elsewhere. Orion can also create screenshots of your dashboard for you to save and share. By clicking Export as Image, a PNG image is created and saved to your Downloads folder. Finally, dashboards can now be shared with other users across your organization's tenant. Simply click on the Shared Dashboards button. Using the drop-down menus, you can filter other users by their client or site access. By selecting User, you can see all other Orion users visible to you through your tenant. Simply select who you would like to share your dashboard with and click Share Dashboard. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to log into the other user, and you can now see that the sample dashboard is now shared across accounts. As the owner did not allow me to have access to editing the dashboard, I can only view the dashboard and change the date ranges as I require. Hope you enjoyed this brief update on the Orion dashboard features. Please check back in on the EWS YouTube channel for more videos and how-tos on interacting with our products in the near future.